I'm going to show you how I completed an order in the store. I did a silent screen recording just so you can see it for yourself in action. I used myself as a customer. I placed an order, and now I'm going to show you how I completed the order as a Dumpling BOSS personal shopper. This is in the BOSS app, not the customer end, the worker's end, the shopper's end. I'm going to turn it on, and you see, you can spend up to $275 on the Dumpling card, and if you need more funding, you just click the SOS button, and they'll take it from there if need be. Then, let me speed it up a little bit. Way here at the invoice, you see $14.29. Processing fee, 71 cents. Well, I added ice cream after I accepted the order. So I have to make an adjustment after I pay for it at the register. Now, follow me here. I paid for it at the register. I paid for it at the register. Did it again. Here we go. I'm sorry. I paid for it at the register. Oh, there we go. And I walked away to take a picture of the receipt and to adjust. See, add adjust? You see add adjust right there? Oops. Right there at the top. I clicked add adjust. Then this pops up. I will earn $14.29, but I have to add $2.99 to this order now because I added a product after I accepted the order from the customer. Customer contacted me. Can you add ice cream? Of course I can. No problem. I added it, and then you click done. But you have to click the plus sign. Now, if you had to deduct something, they wanted something off the list, you use the minus sign and deduct the price. So now I'm going to receive $17.99. No, I'm going to receive, I believe, $17.20 earnings. $17.20. You see at the bottom? Because there's a 79 cents processing fee for using the card, the Dumpling debit card. There's a processing fee. I hope you understand that. Then this is the ShopRite I went to. I took a picture of the receipt. I'm going to fast forward a little bit. You know I took a picture. A little more. Then you get to here. Now you see the total is $107.79 platform fee because there's a 5% platform fee to use the app on the customer's end, unless you want to cover that fee. I don't cover it. $4.28. The adjustment was $2.99. And see at the very top, shopping and delivery, 15 minimum. Well, the 15% of groceries went over the $15 minimum. So I'm going to receive $17.20. You see at the very bottom, underneath earnings, that's what I will receive as a pay. And then you work for tips. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it at this. I can always change it. I was thinking maybe I should make it $20 minimum and 17% groceries. Maybe not keep it at 15. I'm gonna think about that. Complete order. Are you sure you want to charge Michelle $107.79? I want you to understand. You pay at the register. You walk away. You take a picture of the receipt. You adjust any adjustments. Then Dumpling charges the customer. After all of that is done, that's what they're asking. Are you sure you want to charge Michelle $107.79? Yes, I do. Everything's working. That's the plan. I'm going to fast forward. Then it goes, success, you've completed the order. Now, let me see if here's something to show you. When I pulled up to my address, I used myself as a customer because I'm learning how to use it as a customer and a Dumpling BOSS personal shopper. When I pulled up to my address, I received this notification. Your order at ShopRite with Michelle Shops is complete. Make their day and add gratuity to your order. They know that you're pulling up to the drop off. They know you're pulling up to drop off the delivery, the shopping trip you just did. I did that. Then I said it. I clicked the button saying that I want to tip afterwards. I wasn't going to tip myself. I was using myself to learn. I wanted to learn. I'm going to pause this. Oops. No, I wasn't done with that yet. What happened here? You see, 8% would have been $6.84 on top of $17.20. You see that? 10% would be, I don't know why it won't stay for me, would be $8.55. 12%, $10.26. Then they say, would you like to give 5 stars? So I write, because I do this even when I shop for Uber Eats. I ask the customer, do you have a phone number? Would you like me to use your rewards card? Do you realize there's a sale? 2 for 6, 3 for 10. Would you like that instead? I do that when I do shop and deliveries for Uber Eats. And I can guarantee I'm a part of the small percentage that does that on the third-party apps. I did it because I want to become better, because I know I'm headed toward running my own small shopping business, my own small business as a personal shopper. And that's what I wrote. Again, Michelle informed me about sales. I bought more and saved money, coffee sale and poppable sale. And that's exactly what went down. Then they send you a notification. Somebody gave you a review. You see it on top there. Michelle has added the 5-star. Okay. I'm an open book online, guys. My information's public, the basics. So I'm going to stop this now. So that's how that went. I hope you found this video interesting. That's the end, that's the side, that's the back end of being a dumpling boss. I thought I would take a small snippet from the long video I uploaded earlier and just speak about this is how it works in the back end of the Dumpling Boss app and the stuff you have to go through to complete the order. All right, have a good one. Bye, guys.